Hello, Samalo Tashle, welcome back to my channel. Ani Tataring Nada Ngani Sanda Ngani Sanda Laira Pebagin Kimel Khalir Pebagin Sanda Laira Sanda Lagire, Tacho Kimel Sanda Laosida. Ani Hazo Jackson had Lata South Ki Kala stretch era South Kala have stretch ere
South Kala Italy Dosa
Italy Dosa ani Bonda like the try chura Bonda wara ani lassi Tanga the first time together Kesi Jackson had Nanglola Saja dim the this Chikala order South Gajikala Shimshu doina ani Hazo barber doing a moil and a Shimbu red to last I mean the Jackson had the Yaxer and Yelana flushing the Mangu do the lamba, Cassan Robot and do the lamba. And tag the chair, mother. There, a tongue of the soul.
flushing the donut
Oh, yeah.
was on for a shoot over.
Oh, Tadine flushing for the donor. Nungda the common ship to Shanga store given. I know the Jackson at this near the land, the Nimas Hodra, and Odigani Jackson had a try chair. Tara Jackson had another first time do ya. And the Chilola song on the day so she came in the Kale the shoe, the man song on so honey Nima Saudo. Oh, Nyoja Yataring of the Nyoja special shoes here. The here. Chala cut Chala Kalorta. You go south in the Kinara and this chip Napada and the Walla Dichagda. Seafood and the Miduya. They shoot here, but in the kinder, the Misama America Gaji Harley Davidson tongue, the Baba. It's a good of wow, did a sports bike, Spaghetti did the sprucer. You're the Harley Davidson K. Menda due to know the shade. Dosa delight. Alle Dosa delight Redaya. Delta Tony, the Inanga. Now let us sit in the year. Dosa delight now there, Dosa delight. That's the menu had a dog. How to sign to Dosa Dosa Sarah Dosa Sarah. The some of the Dosa strikes. Simba try the same. Alabing on Sunday, how the Lasido. Menu into the Dosa Kajida. This is freshness and purity. Dosa. Dosa the Nagamuda. The Simba Haridi on another tomato sweet corn soup. Little more, little Madlamida, the little member. What Dosa Jisa? Little juicy. Okay. I'll be set. I'm going to eat it. Bangazo dosa lesu. Lakwas into chicada ya chicada. Wow. Anda cembul dosa. Parja. Dosa kanda cembul dosa. Sanga je ni the chaga the lakwa zugu temo ni the chaga. We are trying the Bahubali dosa. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಸೌತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಡ್ಲಿಗೆ 10 ಒಂದು ಇಡ್ಲಿಗೆ 10 ಸೂಪರ್ ದೋಸೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ದೋಸೆಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ದೋಸೆಗೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದೋಸೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ದೋಸೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. 아니 사우드문의 사당병으로 사우드문의 사두선 라고찌 사유다 라고니 비주 당말 어디는 라고찌 비주 치는데 라고찌 두스포 두신 탱기데 두스치 두스텐도 마살라 도살람 두스리도 알루다 송리 두신 사유데 사우드 좋아디 상마다 민도 양 디스스도야 근데도 인기를 사절 봐요라 지고지 간다 봐라라 메나다 마살라다 상마 젠차라 어디
아리는 이제만 너무 세요.
전부. 전부 너무 세. 간도도 전부 다. 안 세. 그 누구니 사요, 누구지 사요. 라마니 비슷한 라마지.
지금 사시면
아?
애들이 짜고 가니. 애들이 라고지
사요, 라고지 사야다. 사우드 상마 라고지 비슷한 거. 된다 라고지. दादा खाला बिफोर द आफ्टर खाने छास्ता खाला तोंगो तोंगो सुयर द साथ साथ कैसा लगा? अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. कल भी आना है, कल भी और खाना है. महीने में एक बार खाना है. बाहुबली खाला सारा बाहुबली दो छागरी समशेज दोसा और बाहुबली दो द तोंगो तोंगो सुयर द दे.
1 hour later.
Dosa saimba, dosa kare, masala dosa sare, more plain dosa sare. Shimbu chungso dosa ya. It was good though, the dosa and lassi ra. Kyo lassi che, one fresh lime soda. It was delicious. Though especially the dosa stuffing is very like soft and very nice. After all, the best shimbu chungso ra. Yeah. I've been like trying dosa for like it's almost like 2 years that I've been trying dosa. I never have dosa. Yeah, so 2 years ago. So after a long time eating, and I feel like that I'm in India, especially in Karnataka side, right? Okay. The patel list patel. अभी हम सब्जी फ्रेश अरे ये बे हमको क्या लेना है? हाँ 아니 vegetable this new and so more the vegetable say and also the toshib of this new and सब सब्जी आबुल 다른데 सब्जी. Oh wow, cabbage 좀 넣어도 돼. fresh 사다 오도 boxy lettuce cabbage potato. आटा न्योल ले अंबा चक्की आटा multi grains and mango do dalayang chapati flour gluten free rice to ragi sama nyam do soya bean mix. Ye shimba ko diya chakki atta. The one here is chakki atta swat company. Ya wo swat la diya wo shimba di nyam so shirwa ya wo da shirwa shimba wo da आधा खड़ी है. So तंग जो खाला सा बा. Okay तंग जो खाला सा ता लोड है चाहिए रो. डोसा बहुत बढ़िया है, डोसा बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा. स्पेशली द डोसा के अंदर जो आलू है ना, आलू बहुत बढ़िया है. आलू दे शिम्बू रो. आज मसाला डोसा रो. We have like 2 orders. One is masala dosa and one the plain dosa, and with drinks is like a fresh lemon soda and sweet lassi, which is quite good. Especially I like the dosa, right? So next time when I visit there, I would definitely try that idli, right? Idli, which is deep idli. I usually like the deep idli. Deep idli try too. So deep idli nangola khari lana sambar lo ra nangola The sambar is gonna be inside the idli, and yeah, that's a dip idli. Ani overall shimbu chungsura. Kala yagodo the south kaji feelings leaja. Yeah, it was like I feel like I'm in South India, especially in Karnataka, the area where I belong from, right? So it's good though, very good and delicious. Ani next time visit share ra. Next time kyun le rahe?
Kala.
Idli try chega.
Le.
Yeah, she said that she wanna come later. Next time mo le yi sarda khala khari lana. Dosa gi na
Hari try chega samso. Di bahubali ki dosa di kita pasus.
Yeah, Bahubali dosa, right? It looks like Bahubali dosa. The dosa is very big, and for one person it's okay. Yeah, it's quite enough to eat, right? Okay, we're gonna go this way now. So it's almost like 5 minutes to our home. Mazu nang la le do. Yeah, this masang wade. That's a sports bike. Bro, he made a rap. Yeah, yeah, the loudest to he catch him with the